Isai Tamil movie summary. Vetriselvan, Satyaraj, is an established and old-fashioned music director who is loved and respected for his works and is termed as the greatest musician of our times. A. K. Shiva, S. J. Surya, who works as an assistant under Vetriselvan, gets an opportunity to compose music for a small-time film. When Shiva introduces new techniques and pioneers the use of synthesizers, his music gets the attention of all music lovers. Due to the freshness and modernity that his music possesses, he becomes the most sought-after musician and overtakes Vetriselvan. Shiva becomes the #1 musician and builds his own studio. Meanwhile, he falls in love with Jenny, Sulagna Panigrahi, and marries her. When it seems everything he touches turns to gold, Vetriselvan displays his true psychopathic form. Vetriselvan decides to pull down Shiva by any means. Vetriselvan wants to disturb Shiva's peace of mind so that he could not concentrate on music. Vetriselvan enters into a deal with Shiva's car driver, manager, cook, and studio front office staff to get their help in bringing down Shiva. One day, Shiva's car driver parks the car amidst peak traffic and suddenly runs away, which confuses Shiva. He gets disturbed by the continuous honking sound. Shiva's manager also confuses him by giving some fake incidents which did not happen. Jenny gets conceived but gets aborted as Shiva's cook mixes some medicine in her food. Shiva is worried because of Jenny's miscarriage and cries aloud. He thinks that he is mentally disordered and goes to a mental hospital. Shiva's strange behavior gets the attention of media, and his image is tarnished amid public. Vetriselvan feels happy seeing this, and in the meantime, film directors start approaching him again. Vetriselvan thinks that his lost glory is recovered now. Finally, it is revealed that Jenny is none other than Vetriselvan's daughter who was sent by him so that he can accomplish his plan. Knowing this, Shiva gets furious and comes to kill Jenny. But she reveals that she has really fallen in love with Shiva for his kindness and she is conceived again now. Vetriselvan comes there and persuades to kill Jenny knowing that she really loves Shiva. In the meantime, Vetriselvan stabs Shiva with a knife. Suddenly, Shiva wakes up, and it is revealed that the entire story was his dream. Madhu, Neela, from Ambe Aruire, is now his wife, and she says that fans are eagerly awaiting for a movie as he has not made a movie in the last 10 years. Shiva says that he got a story from his dream and needs to decide the climax. The movie ends there.